Hi, welcome to this video. Today, we're going to guide you through how to remove Apple ID account without password. Removing an Apple ID without a password is best achieved by resetting the password via iforgot.apple.com. Don't worry about the domain below. You can just type iforgot.apple.com, or excuse me, I forgot, right? I forgot apple.com. Excuse me for this simple mistake, right? And inside, all you gotta do is just use the iPhone passcode by hitting just reset, right? Or disabling Find My via Apple support with proof of purchase. In our case, now we're gonna reset my password, right? So hit reset my password and follow along the steps to, of course, recover your account. If you have access to the phone, you can try to sign out by selecting forgot password. So I'm gonna go ahead to the settings tab, click your Apple ID or your account, scroll a bit down, hit sign out, right? And instead of entering your password, you're gonna just press a forgot password and prompt it for credentials. You're gonna continue, of course, verifying your account. So that's how you remove Apple ID with account without password. Consider liking this video, subscribe. Until next time, see you.